It's up. It's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man army.
This video gonna be about reviewing these Detroit Excel Premium slotted and drill rotors and brake pads. So yeah. Y'all see these rotors right here? Drilled and slotted rotors. Order these off Amazon. They come from Detroit Excel. Ordered the whole set, front and back, with the brakes too. And let me tell y'all something. The brakes they send you got to be they entry level brakes, cause these brakes squeak, squeal. You ain't even got to be on the brake pedal for these brakes to be squealing. Drilled and slotted rollers, as I told y'all, with they brakes. That's on all four. Take y'all back here so y'all can see the boxes, so I can show y'all. See what they say? It's a premium ceramic disc brake pads, but I don't think so. These brake pads, they putting out too much brake dust, and they not quiet. So this smooth, quiet performance they talk about, I don't know what they talk about, cause they ain't quiet. This coming from the Tahoe guy himself. You hear me? So if you was thinking about getting these brake pads and brake rotors from Detroit X off Amazon, go ahead and do it. Just make sure you get you some better quality brakes pads from your parts store. You know what I'm saying? Don't rely on the brake pads they send you. I understand if you ain't got no brake pads to go buy or money to buy none, but yeah, don't use these brake pads they send you in the kit. It's the Tahoe guy signing out, baby. Peace.
Beep, 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 beep. AR-15.